여기 전화를 받는 이 남자는 자신이 일하는 가게 사장의 부인과 바람을 피다 걸리고 맙니다.
Hey, what's it?
Your husband.
사립탐정 비저가 마티가 운영하는 술집으로 찾아와 그의 아내 에비와 종업원 레이가 불륜을 저지르고 있다 말하는데
Called a fringe benefit. Most of nine.
자존심이 상하고 화가 난 마티는 탐정을 돌려보냈고
If I need you, I'll know what rock to turn over.
It's good.
에비는 남편 몰래 집으로 돌아와 총을 포함한 물건들을 챙겨 나갈 준비를 합니다.
Ray?
Did you get what you wanted?
Yeah. Let's get out of here.
Where are you going?
See a guy.
I know him. It ain't a good idea.
I just gotta see a guy. Marty. What?
What? I don't particularly want to talk to you.
마티 앞에 선 레이는 일을 그만둘 테니 월급이나 내놓으라며 마티의 성질을 건들게 되고
You owe me for 2 weeks.
She's an expensive piece of ass.
I want that money. You got something to tell me,
What are
fine.
you, a marriage counselor? What's funny is that I had you too foul. Come on this property again, I'll be forced to shoot you. Fair notice.
Hello? Marty?
On the phone. Was it for you?
He didn't say anything.
How'd you know it was a he?
Am I screwing something up by being here? I can find a place tomorrow.
Well, if that's what you want to do, then you ought to do it. You want the bed or the couch?
레이는 에비가 또 다른 남자와 통화를 하는 것으로 오해하며 그녀와 다투게 되지만 곧 화해하게 됩니다. 다음 날 화가 난 마티가 그녀를 찾아와 강제로 끌고 가려고 하는데 에비는 샷건 같은 발차기 한 방으로 마티를 눕히고 레이까지 나오자 마티는 허겁지겁 달아나게 됩니다. 적반하장으로 나오는 그들의 모습에 마티는 분노에 차 탐정을 찾아갔고 홧김에 청부사령까지 의뢰하게
I got
됩니다.
a job for you.
If it pays right and it's legal, I'll do it.
It's not strictly legal.
Pays right, I'll do it.
It's in reference to that gentleman and my wife.
You want me to kill him?
I'll give you $10,000.
Now, why should I trust you?
For the money.
That's the right smart of money. To make only 50 cents a day. To go fishing.
What?
You just find a way to cover that money.
I'll take care of the money. You make sure those bodies aren't found.
He's in the house.
Door's locked. There's nothing there.
모두가 잠든 시간 탐정은 그녀의 집에 몰래 찾아와 그녀의 총을 챙겼고 방으로 다가가는 도중 생각이 바뀌었는지 다시 집을 나오게 되는데 마티에겐 모든 일을 처리했다 거짓말을 하는 탐정.
Is it done?
You owe me some money. They look good.
You got something to show me first?
탐정은 합성한 가짜 사진을 마티에게 보여주곤
Dead?
So, Sam,
What'd you do with the bodies?
it's taken care of. The less you know about it, the better.
I'm gonna be sick.
I'm gonna want that picture back.
We have to learn to be discreet. Trust each other.
How did you cover the money?
And the less you know about it, the better. Count it. And go.
Nah, I trust you.
마티가 돈을 건네자 실내에 총질을 하며 강도 사건으로 위장합니다.
He looks stupid now.
그렇게 탐정이 떠난 뒤 레이가 술집을 다시 찾았고
What's the matter? You deaf?
총에 맞은 채 쓰러져 있는 마티와 애비의 총을 발견하면서 그녀가 남편을 죽였다고 오해하게 됩니다.
Marty? What night is tonight?
애비는 사람들의 인기척에 사무실을 정리하고 마티를 차에 실어 먼 곳으로 향하는데
What's more, in 2 years' time we'll be eating all the planets of the known universe of beyond. Chapter 6, verse 18. The Lord, there are many good people.
자꾸만 마티가 살아있는 것만 같아 차를 세우게 됩니다. 마티는 아직까지 숨이 붙어 있었고 그를 끝내려던 레이는 차마 직접 건드리지 못한 채 외곽의 밭으로 끌고 가게 됩니다. 땅을 파 마티를 묻으려는 순간 마티가 기적적으로 총을 들어 올려보지만 힘없이 총을 빼앗기고 그대로 묻히고 맙니다.
Hey, Ray.
애비에게 돌아온 레이는 기절하듯이 의자에서 잠이 들었고 사진을 태우던 탐정은 자신이 아끼던 지프라이터를 술집에 두고 왔다는 걸 깨닫게 됩니다.
Why didn't you get into bed?
I didn't think I could sleep. Just wanted to let you know that everything's all right. Took care of everything.
What do you mean?
I know about it, Abby. Went to the bar last night.
Well, what happened?
Cleaned it up.
잠에서 깬 레이는 애비의 실수를 자신이 처리했다 말하지만 그녀는 전혀 알아들을 수 없는 말들이었고
If you shoot him, you better make sure he's dead. Because if he ain't dead, he's gonna get up and try and kill you.
Ray, just tell me what happened.
That ain't important. Important is that we did it. That's the only thing that matters. We both did it for each other.
I haven't done anything funny.
What was that?
Ray, you're not even acting like yourself. You're scaring me half to death without even telling me what I'm supposed to be scared of. If you two had a fight or something, I don't care. This is only...
Pick it up.
그때
What?
걸려오는 전화가 또다시 말없이
Well,
끊어지자
it's him,
Who?
Marty.
레이는 그녀가 또 다른 남자가 생겼다고 오해하며
Call
집을
him back,
떠나게
whoever
됩니다.
it was. I'll get out of your way. Left your weapon behind.
직접 술집으로 방문한 애비는 누군가가 침입한 흔적들을 발견하면서 레이가 이 모든 걸 저질렀다고 오해하게 되고
Ray?
레이는 애비에게 자신이 그를 처리했던 걸 고백하게 됩니다.
Isn't that what you want?
I gotta know what happened first.
What you want to know?
You broke into the bar and you wanted to get your money. And you and Marty had a fight and something. Well, wasn't it you?
I'll tell you the truth. He was alive when I buried him.
레이는 제3자의 침입 사실을 확인하게 되고 누군가 자신을 따라다니고 있다는 사실을 인지하게 됩니다. 새로운 집에서 마주하게 된 둘.
Turn it off.
Ray,
Just turn it off.
Think someone's watching.
so what'll they see? You do anything the neighbors will
레이는 상황을 설명하다 탐정의 저격에 맞게 되고 에비는 황급히 불을 끄고 화장실로 도망칩니다. 탐정이 소리를 따라오자 에비는 그의 팔을 아작내고 탐정은 권총을 쥔 손으로 무차별 난사를 시작하는데 간신히 팔을 빼내며 다시 다가오는 탐정을 에비가 쏘게 되고
I'm not afraid of you, Marty.
Well, man, I'll sure give him a message.
허탈한 웃음을 지으며 마지막 인사를 하는 탐정의 모습을 끝으로 영화는 마칩니다. 자동차 딜러 일을 하고 있는 오늘의 주인공 제리.
Dad's here. How you doing, Wade?
Yeah, pretty good.
그는 가족 몰래 진 큰 빚을 갚기 위해 투자 핑계를 대며 부자인 장인에게 손을 벌려보지만 쉽지 않았고
I mean, a parking lot. But
I had a
I
couple
think
lots, late 50s, lost a lot of money. I
Different-
thought you were going to show it to Stan Grossman. He passes on this stuff before it gets kicked up to me.
this could work out real good for me and Gene.
Gene and Scotty never have to worry.
We sat right here in this room and went over this and over.
마음이 급하다 보니 평소 하던 영혼 일도 잘 되지 않았습니다.
Yeah, but this true coat.
We had a deal here for 19 for you and you're wasting my time and my wife's time and... You lied to me, Mr. Lundgaard. You're a bald-faced liar.
그날 밤 제리는 수리공 쉐베 알선으로 칼과 게이어 2인조를 만나
I'm Jerry Lundegaard. You got the car? Yeah, you bet. It's out in the lot there. Brand new burnt umber Sierra.
I'm Carl Showalter. This is my associate, Geir Grimsrud.
We all set on this thing then?
아내인 진의 납치를 사주해 장인에게 몸값 $8만 뜯어낸 계획을 하게
I'm not
됩니다.
going to debate you, Jerry. So what Shep told us didn't make a whole lot of sense. You want your own wife kidnapped.
Yeah.
You pay the ransom, what, $80,000? I mean, you give us half the ransom, $40,000. You keep half. It's like robbing Peter to pay Paul. It doesn't make any sense.
He's real well off.
So why don't you just ask him for the money?
See, these are personal matters.
Personal matters?
Yeah, personal matters.
Let's take a look at that Sierra.
하지만 기대하지 않게 장인이 자신의 계획에 투자를 하겠다 말하게 되면서
Stan Grossman looked at your proposal. He says it's pretty sweet.
I need the cash pretty quick there in order to close the deal.
Come by 2:30, we'll talk.
제리는 납치 계획을 취소하기 위해 2인조를 찾아보지만
I was wondering, see, I gotta get in touch with him. Something's happening, see.
Call him up.
Yeah, well, see, I did that. You'd know an alternate number.
연락이 되질 않게 됩니다. 결국 2인조는 제리 집을 쳐들어갔고
Well, how do you get the egg? There was an egg in here, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Great.
Gwen.
What?
진은 화장실에 숨어보지만 장인을 찾아간 제리는 장인은 자신에게 투자할 생각이 없었고
Congratulations, dear.
What kind of finder's fee were you looking for?
My fee?
But we never talked about your fee.
단지 자신의 계획만 뺏어갈 목적임을 깨닫게 됩니다.
What are you saying?
You're saying we put in all the money and you collect when it pays off.
We're not a bank, Jerry.
If I'm only getting bank interest, I want complete security. Jeez, what the heck are you?
We're not a bank, Jerry.
I don't want to cut you out of the loop, but this here's a good deal. I assume if you're not interested, you won't mind if we move on it.
분통을 터뜨리며 집으로 돌아온 제리는 진이 납치된 걸 확인하고 경찰이 아닌 장인에게 연락합니다.
Yeah, Wade. It's Jerry. I don't know what to do. It's my wife.
한밤중 진을 뒷좌석에 태운 채 고속도로를 달리던 일당에게 번호표 문제로 경찰차가 붙게 되고
Ah, shit. Oh, the tags. Don't worry, I'll take care of this. How can I help you, officer?
Is the new car done, sir?
Oh, it certainly is, officer.
You're required to display temporary tag. Can I see your license and registration, please?
Must have slipped my mind.
칼은 슬며시 돈을 얹어주며 얼렁뚱땅 넘어가려 했지만 통하지 않게 되면서
Put that back in your pocket, please. And step out of the car, please, sir. Come on!
Shut the fuck up!
Whoa, Daddy.
You'll take care of it.
칼이 경찰 시체를 처리하던 도중 목격자들까지 나타나게 되는데 게이어가 그들을 쫓아가 모두 처리하게 됩니다.
So what's the deal now?
다음날 만삭의 여성 경찰서장 마지가 현장으로 출동했고 그녀는 현장의 상태와 희생 경찰관의 기록 등으로 노련하게 상황을 파악하여 문제의 차량을 추적합니다.
I'd be very surprised if our suspect was from Brainerd.
Yeah.
From his footprint, he looks like a big fella. There's different footprints here, Lou. This guy's smaller than his buddy. Well, somebody shut his lights. I guess the little guy sat in there waiting for his buddy to come back. Did you look in his citation book?
Last vehicle he rode in was a tan Sierra.
All I know is you got a problem, you call a professional.
제리는 일이 벌어진 김에 장인에 대한 복수심에 $80,000가 아닌 $1,000,000를 요구했다
Gotta
말했고
listen to me on this one, Wade. That's final. This is my deal.
We gotta protect Gene. We're not holding any cards here, Wade. We're not horse trading here, Wade.
Yeah.
We gotta just bite the bullet on this thing.
Yeah.
Well, what's the next step here, Jerry?
I'm supposed to have the money ready tomorrow.
Damn it!
칼은 제리에게 전화해 사고로 사람을 죽이게 되었으니 $80,000를 모두 받아야겠다고 억지를 부렸고
What are you talking about? Let's just finish this deal up here. Oh, jeez.
That's right, and we need more money. We now want the entire 80,000.
Oh, for Christ's sake here. A deal's a deal.
Is it, Jerry? You asked those three poor souls up in Brainerd if a deal's a deal.
Yeah.
Jerome Lundegaard?
Yeah,
Those numbers by tomorrow afternoon. I will have to refer this matter to our legal department.
Hi, Norm. How you doing, Marchie?
What you got there?
Oh, the numbers you asked for. Calls made from the lobby payphone at the Blue Ox, Shep Proudfoot.
A what?
Shep Proudfoot. That's a name.
Think I'll take a drive down there then.
Damn it, I want to be a part of this thing.
장인은 제리가 못 믿어 자신이 직접 돈을 전달하겠다고 고집을 피우며 제리는 자신의 돈을 만지지도 못한 채 거액을 모두 2인조에게 넘겨줄 상황이 되고 맙니다.
No, see...
Look, Jerry, you're not selling me a damn car. It's my show here. That's that.
It's the way we'd prefer to handle it, Jerry.
Where's Shep? Talking to a cop. Said there was a cop.
다음 날 2인조를 알선해준 새벽에 마지가 찾아왔고
It's just hard for me to believe you don't remember anyone calling. It's Mother Entanglement's currently on parole. I know you don't want to be an accessory to something like that. So you think you might remember who those folks were who called you?
Mr. Lundegaard?
Huh? Yeah.
Mr. Lundegaard?
제리에게 사라진 차량에 대해 묻지만 모르시하게
Well, I'm a
됩니다.
police officer from up Brainerd. Stolen off the lot in the past couple of weeks. Specifically a Tancella Sierra. Mr. Lundegaard, You haven't had any vehicles go missing then?
Nope. No, ma'am.
Okie dokie, thanks a bunch. I'll let you get back to your paperwork then.
All right, Jerry, I'm through around. You got the money? With this money in the Dayton Radisson Park, you can have top level.
Okay.
그날 밤 결국 약속 장소로 장인이 대신 나가게 되고
Here's your damn money. Where's my daughter? You goddamn.
Who the fuck are you?
Got your damn money. Now where's my daughter?
Where's Jerry? I gave simple instructions.
칼은 난데없는 그의 모습에 당황하며 다투다 총격이 일게 되고
Happy now, asshole? What's with you people?
모든 상황이 끝나서야 현장에 도착한 제리는 혼이 빠져 집으로 돌아오게 됩니다.
Yeah.
Is everything okay?
Yeah. I'm going to bed now. Jesus Christ.
돈가방을 열어본 칼은 100만 달러에 경악했고 가방에서 8만 달러만 꺼낸 뒤 나머진 눈밭에 파묻고 아지트로 돌아갑니다. 경찰서로 돌아가려던 마지는 수상한 점이 떠올라 다시 제리를 찾아갔고
I'm on my way out of town, but I was wondering.
Haven't had any vehicles go missing.
Because, I mean, how do you know? Have you done any kind of inventory recently?
I'm the executive sales manager.
Yeah. Well, how did they establish that?
I answered your question.
I'm sorry, sir.
Ma'am, I answered your question.
You have no call to get snippy with me. I'm just doing my job here.
I'm not arguing here. I'm cooperating.
Could I talk to Mr. Gustafson? Mr. Lundegaard.
Okay. I'll do a damn lot count.
Sir, right now?
Yeah.
I'm sorry, sir.
Ah, what the Christ.
제리는 그녀의 죽음 끝에 조사해보겠다고 말하며 그대로 도주하게 됩니다.
Oh, for Pete's sake. For Pete's sake, he's fleeing the inner... Yeah, Detective Cyber, please.
You made yourself perfectly clear.
Look, sir, I can explain.
Should see the other guy. What happened to her?
She started shrieking, you know.
Well, I got the money.
아지트에 돌아온 칼은 돈을 건네며 자신이 총에 맞았으니 차를 갖겠다 말하지만 협상이 통하지 않았고
I got shot. I've been there for 36 hours. I'm taking that car. That's mine. Are we square? Yeah, you mute.
성을 내며 무시하고 나가다가 그만.
But we still haven't found Gustafson? Gustafson and Lundegaard.
Yeah, it's over the wire. It's everywhere.
Car, there's a car!
Whose car?
My car! Teen Sierra!
시에라를 추적해 마침내 그들의 아지트까지 찾아온 마지는 숲속에 들려오는 기계 소리를 쫓아가 끔찍한 상황을 목격하게 되고 깜짝 놀라 달아나는 게이어에게 총을 쏘아 그를 체포하게 됩니다.
So that was Mrs. Lundegaard on the floor in there. And I guess that was your accomplice and the wood chipper. Those 3 people in Brainerd for a little bit of money. There's more to life than a little money, you know.
사람보다 돈을 더 중요시하는 그들을 안타까워하는 마지.
Don't you know that? I just don't understand it.
이후 모텔에 숨어있던 제리도 얼마 못 가 체포되며 모든 사건은 마무리되었고 평범한 일상이 주는 소중함을 느낀 마지의 모습을 끝으로 영화는 마칩니다.
I love you, Margie.
영화 잘 보셨나요? 영화 파고는 1997년에 개봉한 미국 범죄 영화입니다. 영화는 빛에 찌들린 주인공이 어리숙하고 막연한 범죄 계획을 진행하다 점점 의도치 않게 파국으로 치닫게 되는 내용을 담은 작품이었습니다. 범죄물이었지만 매우 조용한 분위기에 블랙 코미디가 담긴 연출이 잦았던 영화로 등장인물들이 하나같이 어리숙하고 나사가 빠져 있는데요. 그들의 연기만큼은 실제인 것처럼 매우 훌륭했다고 생각합니다. 영화 내내 마지에 먹는 장면들이 꽤 많이 나오는데 이런 장면들도 은근히 씬스틸러 장면들로 느껴졌고 돈보다 사람이 중요하다는 주제의식을 직접적으로 표현하는 것도 담백하고 좋았습니다. 다만 오래된 영화이긴 하기에 고전 영화에 대한 부담이 없으신 분들에게만 킬링타임 느낌으로 풀영상 시청을 추천드립니다. 오늘도 끝까지 시청해주셔서 감사의 말씀드리고요. 구독과 좋아요는 채널 유지에 큰 도움이 되니 꼭 부탁드리겠습니다.